the video today, I'm going to be teaching you how to evaluate and simplify the function of f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x. So to start off with this, so in order to find f of x plus h, we need to replace every x of the original equation with x plus h. So we're going to write f of x plus h equals and just replace x with x plus h2. So 2x plus h. Okay, now we're going to expand 3 of x plus h squared. And we need to expand it carefully because this is where many people often make mistakes from. So we can write x plus h squared equals, and then we just write it 2 times because of the power of 2. Okay, and now we're just going to FOIL. So when we FOIL, we get x multiplied by x plus x multiplied by h plus h multiplied by x plus h multiplied by h. And then when we combine these terms, the common variables, we get x squared plus xh plus hx plus h squared. So since xh and hx are the same, it becomes just x squared plus 2xh plus h2.
And this is just for now. Okay, now we're just going to input this into the 3x. So it's going to be 3, and then you just put the equation that you just found. And then when you distribute the 3, you're going to get 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h.
Okay, and now for the second part, which is negative 2 of x plus h, we're just going to expand that part now. So we'll do it as the color blue. 2 of x plus h. And then when you distribute the negative 2, you just get negative 2x, negative 2h. So we're going to add these together. So as you can see, we're just going to add the 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h2 negative 2x negative 2h. So that's the complete expansion of f of x plus h. Oh, and I forgot to put f x plus h equals. So we already know that f of x plus h equals to this long equation. And we also do know at the top for the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x. So now we're just going to input this into this equation. So for an example, so right here, f of x plus h, we're going to put it right here. And then fx equals 3x squared minus 2x gets plugged in here. So now we're just plugging in these equations into the thing. So now we're going to plug in what we got into the numerator, this. So f of x plus h minus f of x is going to equals parentheses x 3x squared plus 6x h plus 3h squared 2x 2h minus 3x squared 2x. And then we're going to distribute the minus sign. So right here, we're just going to distribute this. We don't distribute the other equation since it's not in front of it. So we're going to rewrite this as 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared minus 2x 2h minus 3x squared plus 2x, because a minus and a minus adds to a positive. And now we're just going to cancel like terms. So 3x squared minus 3x squared, it's going to cancel. And as you can tell, negative 2x plus 2x is just going to cancel. And what I mean by cancel is that they just add up to 0. So now we are just left with f of x plus h minus f of x equals 6xh plus 3h squared negative 2. And okay, now as you can tell, we need to divide this by h, because at the top, the original right here, it's over h. So now, since we got the numerator, we're going to just divide the numerator by h. So now we're going to over h, and then we're just going to simplify each one. So of course we know that 3xh over h is going to be 3x because the h cancels. So plus 3h, and then just 2. So this is our final answer. So now we're just going to write our final answer right here as 6x plus 3h minus 2. I hope that was helpful, and bye.